Hi, so in this lecture, I will show you another cool custom visual which I have leveraged in my report. So you might have noticed this pretty good looking slicer here for all the countries, right? This is also pretty easy to create. It's just that you should know how you can get it. Remove that. So, so for this, what we need to do here is, so this is basically a custom visual called as enlightened world flex. So what it does is it checks in it so what it does here is what it does is in its field section, just put in the country field which comprises of the names of the country which are available in your data, and in the labels also put up the same country. So this will also give the name of the country flag, as well as will show you the flag of that specific country as well. So that way, very easily you can create this amazing slicer which you can use to filter out your report based on countries as well. So if I just want to see for United States, I can click on that. If I want to see for Mexico, I can click on that. And similarly, very it's pretty easy to filter out the data. And the best part here is it understands the name of the country on its own to showcase you the logo, to showcase to show you the right logo in front of the country which is being selected, right? So that's how. And again, if you do not have a custom and again if you do not have a Power BI license, you might not be able to import it from the library, but that's not a problem. If you want to practice out, feel free to use my PBIX file which I've provided, and check this enlightened world flag and use it in your report as well. So that's all for now. One more button which I have used in my report apart from all these buttons is a Q&A button. So Q&A button is basically so Q&A button is basically a so Q&A button is basically different from all the other buttons which are available. So all these other buttons are used to navigate you from one page to another, while Q&A button helps you to ask a question to your data. So I can simply click on this and ask a question to my data, that like give me the total sales, and as soon as I start typing in, I can see the total sales, let's say by country. Oops. And you can see it comes up in form of the visualization. So that's a very good way to also give the power to the end user to ask, to let them ask the question on their own. So, and it is also pretty easy to create this. All you need to do is go to the insert ribbon and click on add a button to your report, and from here select Q&A. And once you select that, you will see the same button like I have done here. Just give the proper formatting like I have done in terms of its style, in terms of its color, and you should be good to go. So make these two things as well as part of your report, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.